How to remove friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can remove friends on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to remove friends on Snapchat, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Snapchat application here. Once you launch the Snapchat app, you just want to come to, let's say, a chat page that you can find over here, or you can just tap the profile icon and then just scroll down to the my friends section, wherever you'll be able to find it, and just go to my friends. Now over here, just select the specific account or the person that you'd like to remove as a friend. Go to their profile page, tap the three dots option, tap on manage friendship, and then just tap on remove friend and then tap on remove. This way you'll be able to remove friends on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.